Kwasiato se Wode maya nsem hu na okeka fa asantefo ho Wode maya nsem hu na okeka fa asantefo ho se ye baabi no ko sa party bia anka do mo de baye no Mmoasem be no de tantan sei wogya ne papa si wo ne papa wo a wote da motom edi ade wo akomfodam esore ne Wode di Asantehene atem e bia musi sante so na mu di sante atem ene Wode maya Wode di asantefo atem yesi on se ne wokọ ye obi anya ne hwe Asantes are the most peaceful people in Ghana e bo abra nkrofo bi nso e papa no ya ahemfo enso amote da motom Omo papa no ya ahemfo enso nanam flowers esre Samira ba womiaka ene e baba mamanfo ne hu
na abusia Okatakyie Afrifa-Mensah aya nadwen anase we decide say obi obekasa tia yewura nanasa tutu yewura Asantehene otumfo ene asanteman aseho no anka no kwampa so no ono ubenya me na make say oni Ghana YouTuber ye friend Wode maya ene omo de pem so papa ma Okatakyie Afrifa for the record so obobo na adwen de kira brand ye friend Wode maya na sana YouTuber Wode maya nso hu na anya ne de ono so respond to Okatakyie Afrifa ma ene omo de pem so na asembe mpote pa no Wode maya akoka Okatakyie ebobo na adwen ede emani me di video ni nsam ni bi ede ebro ye friend Dan Kwasi Prince aha daily view ghts channels mesro say oba no subscribe wa share wa comment every baby ahwe free na abusia no atumi akoso ya kese before me di videos ni exclusive ni bi ebebro no. This episode is proudly brought to you by Yes You Can Cyber Secure esuapon no ewo US na impenifo say omo ye practical cyber security JRCIT audit training amo bibiara registration no free cyber security hunim de entity ne de for free a untua 1 cedi empu na impenifo say our cyber security entity mu no ye begiro mo nim de ne omutumi so actual cyber security fundamentals biti say framework standard laws and regulation na uwie train we ne practicals na ye be ma certificate ye be ma scholarship ye be ma adwumapa adwumason aye for free a bibia no untua 1 cedi empu visa assistance so na wo pese odi tu kwan kwoto adwumaso eno adesua so mpanimfo eye ho hyehye baabi a wohwe mi free so wo Ghana USA Canada UK Australia chirichiri bench Europe amanhodo no mpanimfo numbers no registration link no so ya posti e comment section as ya o click so anwa register for free na bibia no etumi adimu abusia yamra yensam ne so na yanko ye chikakra so somewhere last January na etwam na last 5 months ago a etwam ni ana Ghana ye YouTuber ye friend Wode maya sanya dani dan nyina no oye ewo ne dwumadie so ni YouTube social media handles de so no ene otutu kwan kwa chirichiri no de ya manfo man so ho abakwasem no de som ye so anwo na ne ohwa na ofili na bibia no etumi adimu na ne one particular interview here that was screen chain na okasafa asanteman as a whole okasafa kwanya entity ne kwanya asanteman e de ye nuanom entafo se bia buru ye de omo efa so.
When you talk about the transatlantic slavery, people think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. So they were capturing people from the north of Ghana.
Other places
the
where
Salaga market.
Yeah.
So they catch you from the Salaga side. They walk you down all the way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
Wait, you walk all the way from the north.
I tell you,
Are you kidding me?
So that is why
you are making it up. It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up. I'm making it up.
Many
if you go to the north,
okay. Many of our African American brothers in the diaspora in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north. If we do tourism right, you will just see how they trekked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Not that I know.
Yes, they walk. They.
Some people did not even make it along the way from the north to the south, like central region, right? Then they took them. That's why you had to take your last bath. If you go to what's it called?
Asantehene River.
Yes. Yeah. So you take your last bath because you've walked long mile.
And all the dirt and
all everything. The dirt, they go and wash you. They wash you, then they take you to the dungeon. That's when they're like they start like checking which one is the strongest, and they keep you there.
Abusia Wode maya nsem ni bi eno ntini kasem no okire mu se ebire bi atwa mu na se colonization mu no so ahu tetebere mu no na chese ye nuanom asantefo anase asanteman esori a na chese ye nuanom se biaburu entafo northerners fui omo na chese ye de omu didwa ye to entafo na ne ye betonton mu ne ade na chese slave trade no ebia fie Ghana na chese asanteman ana na chese omu hye na ebra video ne ba ye no ne nkrofo bibiri na so gya ne digo ne so a okoye previous videos ma ye di kind ho ma ne bono e de abrew na nsa ni ne nso Eswatini president anase Swaziland president ebe pie mu e wo man kronkron magana mu ani obedish adwumaso adwuma modern boma ene okwa Asantehene ene bese na 4 days echi ene adwumadi ahodo ne nyina mu no nso koye social media handles na ye the exclusive no e de abrew ma before na obekọ no omo ye private dinner e de ma Eswatini president ne nkrofo a ebeja no ma ye uhwe video ye da screen chin ya no de ma ya nso enya invitation ni bi ekọ ho enso de nani onyam ekota akiri na eno no Okatakyie Afrifa ehu video na okiri mu se abrante na na abrante ye friend Wode ya nsamfo okodi ye nyina achi no ni nyina nsa aka invitation ni ebi
ene Wode wodidi asantefo atem yesi on said ne wakoy obi anya na hwe Asantes are the most peaceful people in Ghana okoka yesi ye manka se Wode nsam hu na okeka fa asantefo ho Wode ni nsam hu na okeka fa asantefo ho se ye baabi no okọ sa party bia anka do mo de be ye no enso koy obi anya na hwe ye je ne fefe so that is the hospitality of Asantes enso da saso mo me ho ntoye da bia ye di atem afa wo koyiwa no yeso wo na wo be yiwa no ye tribalistic Mmoasem be no uti bi da be say ye didi watem ne mom ko anu tum ne ye didi watem na aba na wo be yiwa no a wo ye tribalistic na nim die ntom yesa o ma weaponize no just to give you a year or more the leeway to operate it omo ye obone pa ba cassette ya pe you are tribalistic nice ama wa boto no ma to aso ye mo bi de nya no kore wontimi nyusu anu as weapon it ni e be kire say you do buy no came Swati of Swaziland formerly Swaziland Swati na no kura ne kuro no kura na nipa do say na wadi enti no no wono no wo constitution bi ase and absolute monarchy now absolute monarchy na say we need 3 arms of government na so the man for ni sika beto player eno na fa Asantehene obayi na sa oba ya na Asantehene wonti na dwamu ana ken no ba ya obechi ano eti dia ba asem biwa ebo abra nkrofo bi nso e papa no ya ahemfo enso mo te da motom mo papa no ya ahemfo enso na nam flowers esre Samira ba wo miaka ene beba mamanfo na hu se ahemfo bi sere ka ahemfo bi sere dan na so awuya mi aso nkwa didie Kwasiato wo jane papa si wo ne papa wo a wo te da motom edi ade wo akomfodam esore no didi Asantehene atem wenko shaka we ko jimi ndi Asantehene ya no yes wo di chiam ya atem es wo nu Asantehene at the time say ya na ye nuano mu bi fe ni ye so ne so ya nka ni wachinti wo se kwan ne tene ya nka ni wachi o wan kan ni wachi da bia musi Sante so na mu di Sante atem Sante so sore so ya na de pe tribalistic enso anwonafo ba ye jo mo tena anwonaga Minuanom free sabi north ba ye jo mo tena alaba mo sinzongu obia na obia nkontokwa efritete o swami ya no mo na nyini ya de anuanom na nyini ti Asantehene tribalistic na die on kano krema ni so first of all o for bit second Swati ono no de no ba bia wote say eye former Swaziland e from Swati no e hono eye absolute monarchy ya ka say absolute monarchy say ene constitutional democracy ni ewo mu ofo bi say Ghana ha say ya de ne constitutional democracy ni wo eye 3 arms of government where we have the legislature the executive and the judiciary and the mama government judiciary ne be kan executive no it ye de 2 arms enye 3 bio it is ene no yete ha ni asi eye constitutional democracy ya nyeje tax e ma Asantehene ya jije ye de ba eye government ho ya de ba central government ho na central government no am make sure say obeche ade no akọ back into the regions and the constituencies Now could do baby say UK or more constitutional monarchy. So even when it comes to monarchical system, there are two forms of monarchy where we have constitutional monarchy and we have absolute monarchy. So could do baby say UK or more monarchical system at the head of state, Kenchas. But beyond Kenchas, there are also other forms of say parliament, UK parliament in the UK say omuni written constitution. General said the written constitution. UK need written constitution. But more constitutional monarchy. Etimi holding the power of the king. Emma ontimi nyanyo mebi. It's a holding absolute monarchy. Unlike Saudi Arabia, who could do Saudi Arabia, why absolute monarchy, just like Mmoasem. Ube drew Morocco. King Morocco the Mohammed the State to say. On also the constitutional monarchy because only absolute power. Our there is some parliamentary rule. So when you live in a country where there is king, yes, a king, I can. Me found this title, and where king, 1 year king, fine. The general. Even abrofone ba or man Fred the supreme person at the apex of our traditional leadership. Say or ye king and they say that Obianwa wane king Charles and now Queen Elizabeth Ayepe. It is Omaba Betrosa what Africa. Omaba Betrosa what India. Now would you know what? Instead say order the apex of the rulership of a king. Almost am from king. They will be from any chief. Near friend wo paramount. It's in your friend a paramount chief. So among the chiefs, you are the paramount person amongst them. Meanwhile, say offer the rulership of UK. I go Uti. Offer you say Edinburgh. Offer say Prince of Wales. Okay, so we have Wales, we have Edinburgh, we have House of Windsor. Ninjina ke be say ya man hene. If you say wunya baha, ya o mampo akonya. It's a mampo akonya na di ko UK and ke ye House of ebia Edinburgh. Say dwabi akonya ye di ko UK and ke bia ye House of Windsor. What it say o mkeka ni nyina abomu a. Say ye Wales ebia tepa akonya and your friend in Wales, Prince of Wales. Dem mo say o Prince of Wales ni Prince of Edinburgh, Prince of Scotch ni wa nyina area. The order wo nyina no. Ono so ye paramount chief. So which is House of Windsor. At this point we will not call him a prince. We will call him king. Obi a leadership. Say the washe ni din ode man no. Na yesu ya hye say. Oba bedru santemamua. Ye wa amai hene 66. Even UK does not have a paramount in 66. Asantehene kura amai hene kwa 66. Ana sa amai hene Asantehene da wo nyina efro. So the leadership of a Asantehene is at the apex. Then amai hene ba. Then ayi abrempofo ba and in that order it goes down to Edikrofo and the rest. So if somebody sits down and says because you work in Charles, you work in Elizabeth, you person won in the Bay Penti, you su edina ye use man on it, young farm frel. Na mutimukrum, Mosia Nuntimon fa said in him fresh Asantehene. If I hear you obey. Ya were mudi ya were. If I hear you obey. So who do what? Or more acquire Julius Caesar. Was she Roman Empire anyway? Was she say yes, she Roman Empire anyway? Now where you prince of God, where you governor of this, governor of that. Do that governess in India no. Ebia your friend or emperor. Precisely. And Yankophobia in Exactly. What has that got to do with Asantehene?
Oh, the people.
What has that got to do? Are you so fixated with the word or your king, on your king, on your king, on your king, where your king? Okay, so let's even come to who a king is. So now we say King Mswati the second was the first was a wine. Or your king of formerly Swaziland, which is Mswati. Mswati the third. King of a year Eswatini. Eswatini, no, first in your friend Swaziland. Nidiano, no, Nidipano, no. Eswatini, now where you are in the Mswati, what the Eswatini, Atungo formation. Afe Eswatini no, baby I would hine no. Only parliament said your parliament. Only judiciary said your judiciary. Even judiciary no the control. They make it is what Jimam for Nisika. That's what the better player. And no for Asantehene obey. Because there is nobody. And in any case, baby or hine no. What one population? One population 1.1 million people. Less a little over 1.1. nearly 1.2 million.
Exactly.
Ewa abra Asantefo wa Ghana ha. Si ye ka Asantefo wa Ghana ha. Asantehene ni di wo mani mu a. Are you kidding me? No man mo dodo say. Ana Asantefo dodo say wo. It is will be at the 1.1 million people so. Ejuma wo mo ye ohopa ya hwedi twa. I mean, most of the people in a year Swatini. What much more ye pa ya hwedi twa. Abebre no adwane ba South Africa because most of it that normally South Africa for was similarities in doing things. And go for graduates at some point South Africa should have just annexed them to be part of South Africa. Most of the people living in Eswatini, they work in South Africa. Precisely. That is number one. Again, it's one no year absolute monarch. That's when you scan is what the man for 5 months for. Ewa abra ye nyina ne agya tum se. Ye de ya yesimui. 1935. Ana moko pa Asantehene chew. Se Asantehene fa wo wa hini no. A wa chechire ndeda. Fa bra. Ni afanka Ghana ho. Ye wi a ye be ye o se ye Queen Elizabeth. Na wo wadi Ghana ni nyina so. Mo ye wankasa yo sana mukotwa ne tro sa the records are there precisely sana Asantehene mukotwa ne tro for the records and we no was no problem the baba kan Ghana ho say ye na Asantehene amfa me kan Ghana ho and ono so obeda ne man ya what does it take for a country to be established population land geographical me no ka say Asante ahini no Asante asase so say Mmoasem foi Eswatini foi Asantefo do so say Eswatini foi Asantefo go the chair Eswatini foi eti nyase nyina ne yagye atum si ye tena se nemo me yagye de bebra dwomama because we are under constitutional rule and yase yagye ne de ko Asantehene wa anka Asantehene betumi ato play achen Eswatini dey
abusia Okatakyie Afrifa ensem ni bi eno no na sana video ne pop up social media tentan kase no so no anya Wode maya YouTuber no anya ne de ano no so be respond no e wo Twitter e wo eye enchire na se eye post here that screen so na Wode maya e wo ne Twitter handles no wo chiri mu say o say big man at for the records Okatakyie Afrifa na refer no and I say feel free to reach out and let me show you how to make proper money without asking your audience to donate stars to create more content into Facebook Okatakyie Afrifa the comment section as na say you can support by sending a star near the not my chiri say omra ne nche no magi nim de kwan obefa so enye sikapa enye so obeka kire yifo no say omun sending no stars no fa enye sika it was my so true shade wo social media no so enye no nko enye no nko kaseti Asantefo bloggers ibi ana o kire mu say ono aya no ntan dwa nanum enso ne de obedwa nanum obi eni ho ye Asante blogger no say no Asante blogger or vlogger have showcased the rich Asante culture and beauty of Kumasi more than Wode maya any true shade na ukọ ne Twitter handles na abusia yesi akudia we enum ni gura ni nyina mu no muson for dam Kwasi Prince ni edi akire enti after wa man reply di enum se Okatakyie obesan amabiem ni nyina mu no yebebe som ye from dam Kwasi Prince mesrew se oba no subscribe na abusia na tumi akoso ayekesi before meja mekra mo am yakono Charistic Company Limited omun roza amehane zaji capsules no kwaji bi ebeboa wo uyo bia oba edum fichi kwachi ya na oti ya oti pains wase fidua nbro no so bia tumi te nka kwaji enduro bi hindi eba mesha no so ye malaria typhoid diabetes eduro ebe mo gina so brane na yare don bia etiasi usubia no otumi adon ho na bibia na tumi edim ye from dam Kwasi Prince subscribe na share na abusuan ntumi nkoso makrao